Prepare for a cosmic spectacle like no other. Saturn, the jewel of our solar system, is about to play a celestial game of hide-and-seek. In 2025, the planet's iconic rings will seemingly vanish from view. But don't worry, they're not going anywhere. Let's dive into why Saturn's breathtaking rings will appear to disappear and what makes them so fascinating. Saturn is renowned for its stunning ring system, a dazzling display of icy particles and rock fragments that has mesmerized stargazers for centuries. But mark your calendars. In 2025, Saturn's rings will go through a dramatic change. The reason? It's all about Saturn's tilt. Saturn spins on an axis tilted at 26.7 degrees. This tilt, combined with Saturn's orbit around the Sun, creates a cosmic dance where the rings will align edge-on to our view here on Earth. Imagine Saturn's rings as a sheet of paper. When you look at the edge of the paper, it's almost invisible. The same happens with Saturn's rings. When they align edge-on, they reflect very little light and become hard to see from Earth. This edge-on view is a temporary phenomenon, occurring every 13 to 15 years. Saturn's rings were last edge-on in 2009 and will be precisely edge-on March 23, 2025. They'll be briefly hidden from view, only to reappear after March and disappear again in November 2025. Don't worry, by 2032, the rings will be back in their full glory. What exactly makes these rings so special? Saturn's rings are composed of billions of icy particles, ranging from tiny grains of sand to massive chunks the size of buses. This ring system isn't just one solid structure but a complex assembly of distinct sections, including the famous A, B, and C rings, with gaps like the Cassini division, a stunning 4,800 kilometers wide. The ring's beauty and structure are shaped by Saturn's many moons. These shepherd moons help maintain the ring's order by exerting gravitational forces, keeping the particles in check. Every 13 to 15 years, Earth sees Saturn's rings edge-on, says Professor Vay Perumian from the University of Southern California. They reflect very little light and are very difficult to see, making them essentially invisible. Even though Saturn's rings will seem to vanish, they will return to their full splendor. So stay tuned and look up in 2025, because the beauty of Saturn's rings is just taking a brief cosmic intermission. Until then, let the wonders of the cosmos inspire your imagination. Keep looking up and marvel at the beauty of our universe.